Hey there, mountain bike lovers! Are you ready to shred? But not so fast! First, you've gotta do some pre-ride checks. It's time to make a quick stop at the workshop. Today we have an extra special guest. Hey Pef.
Hey Thomas, I heard you're going out on a ride this weekend.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Well, today we will look at how to check your tire and your bike, plus the tool you will need for your ride.
Great, and I love to learn some tricks too. Can you show me some?
Maybe later, but first we're gonna take care of your outfit. So your choice of safety equipment depends on your riding style and terrain, starting with the most popular, all mountain. You will need a helmet, gloves and glasses. Plus, I encourage you to wear some knee protection, especially if you ride with more advanced rider, if you're on a new trail or if the ride is challenging.
And what equipment do I need for enduro or downhill bikes? Those rides can be more challenging.
For enduro, you will need more advanced elbow and knee protection. And for DH, it's another level. I've got mine on right now. I recommend you get yourself a full face helmet, safety knee and elbow pads, as well as a back protection. And remember, this equipment needs to be in good condition. As we say, it's not about look, it's about attitude.
Wise words.
Okay, Thomas, time to check your tires.
Ooh. What do we have here?
This mountain bike is fitted with Michelin Wild Enduro tire. My choice for the riding I do with this bike. Light, fast, strong with amazing grip.
So I guess the first thing to check is for any sign of visible damage or cuts to the tires.
Exactly. Look at the tread pattern, the side wood, and if you are riding on tubeless tire, don't forget to check if your sealant is not dry and it's not leaking.
I don't want to ruin my chances of smashing my next ride.
Yeah, you don't want to have any accident on your ride. The Michelin Wild Enduro is a really good combination of grip, robustness, and work well in most conditions and terrain.
That's good to know. And what about tire pressure?
Your tire should be nice and firm before any ride.
What pressure should I aim for?
It depends on two factors: your weight and the terrain versus the speed you want to ride. Top tips: if you want to quickly check your tire pressure from leaks or puncture, inflate them a bit over 2 bars and listen closely for any air escaping. Then, obviously, don't forget to correctly adjust your pressure to your ride.
Great! What's next?
Time to check your bike. Start with the most important safety element in mountain biking, your brakes and brake pads. Have a look at your brake pad first to check for unusual wear. Then you can press on your brakes and go back and forth just like this. Or you can do a trick.
Not bad.
Next up is your suspension. Push down on your seat to check to see if it's working nicely. Repeat and do the same with your bars. Or if you want to practice your tricks, you can also test it like this.
Six gears. Next is gears, right? What should we be checking?
Make sure your chain is lubed and your chainring, cassette, make hanger are all in working order.
Alright. And what about the bolts, transmission, all that kind of thing?
Check you don't have any play on the headset, wheel axle, spokes, fork, brake calipers and drivetrain. In case you find something loose, use your torque wrench to tighten your ball according to your bike manual. Also, I recommend you check your cables and wheels every 5 to 6 rides.
Almost ready to ride. What tools should I take with me?
First up, you will need a multi-tool. Choose one you can tighten all your bike with. It's necessary for every ride. I also recommend taking a tire pump with you. Don't forget to take an emergency toolkit. You may need a tire lever, a spare tube, and a repair kit. If you are riding tubeless, get 1 or 2 repair strings as well. Speaking of emergency repair kits, Michelin's one is ideal for unexpected punctures.
But does it have emergency snacks?
Sadly not, but definitely pack a jacket and some energy bar with you. You never know where your next ride is gonna take you. But hey, maybe save that for later.
Yeah, you're right. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you, Pef, and maybe catch you out on a ride one day.
Sure, catch you later, Thomas.
So your pre-ride checks are done. Now, all that is left is to crush the ride. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time at the workshop.